I feel like I should be your lover, I should be your friend.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have not posted in forever. I've actually had like 3 different videos that were ready, but I lost all the footage for those.
What are you doing?
A YouTube video. So anyways, where was I? I had so many freaking videos ready. One of them was like 5 minutes and I had like all of it. It was like so stupid. So we're just gonna do basically the makeup video that I was gonna do before. So I don't use this palette for anything, but it's a mirror. It actually, if I'm being honest, is kind of junky, but I like this mirror. And James's Charles palette. James's palette, whatever you want to call it. This palette does not have a mirror in it, but it does have a lot of good colors. So yeah, that's fun. So we're just gonna start out with my normal routine. Oh frick. So I already have like my foundation on, my whatever else is on. Okay, I'm gonna take off my eye makeup and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Howdy y'all. Oh, I took off my eyeshadow and it's fun. By the way, let me know down below if this foundation's too dark for me. I have the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid in shade 20 Classic Ivory. So if you think this is not my shade, let me know, because I don't know, like I don't know. Okay, and then we're just gonna reconceal my eyelid because yeah, it looks weird. I also, for concealer, I got something new. I have the e.l.f. highlight and concealer duo thing. I don't really use the highlight in this because it's not really pigmented, but it's like whatever. I don't like to lay down transition shades, and I'm not going to. Thanks. Okay. So we're gonna go in with B, which is my absolute favorite color out of the whole palette. Okay, there we go. First we're gonna go in with single and just see how that looks. So we're going to lay down some of that, go up there with it, and by up there I mean whatever area this is. Okay, there you have it, pink. I'm about to add orange, so I'm going to clean out this brush, makeup wipe. The only thing that sucks about using a makeup wipe is that it gets all wet. There we go. But I'm gonna clean it soon anyway, so I like to take it and go up like along where I concealed. I mean, I know you're like, what the heck, you could just use your foundation and conceal it with that, but that's not like, I don't know, it just don't make sense to do that, so I'm doing it this way. Okay, so before.
Okay, I'll show you in a second. This looks so good, doesn't it?
Hold on, I can't. Why are you like yelling? Yeah.
It's Timmy Turner.
Yeah, why are you yelling?
I didn't know it was.
You're still yelling.
Oh. Ow.
What would suck if you guys couldn't see me for this whole video and I just got all of my freaking stuff wrong. I had one job. Just jinxed myself there. It would suck if you guys saw. Oh, I'm so tired. It's like 3 a.m. and I've been editing. Oh my god. I love setting my face. Okay. That is the end of my video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed watching, you know, something kind of new on my channel. If you guys want to see me do more looks with the palettes, if there's any certain look you'd want me to do with this to show you guys, give me some challenges to do. There's metallic in here, there's matte shades, there's a bunch of different colors, so you guys can choose. I mean, this is not the only palette that I have. The other palettes that I have you can watch in my other video, what I got for Christmas 2018, maybe 19, I don't remember what I put on there. But you guys can go watch it and see all the palettes that I have. Give me some looks. You guys have all my social medias linked down below. You can send me pictures or looks that you want me to do. You can send me some challenges, or just comment down below something you want me to do. It doesn't even necessarily have to be makeup related. But yes, thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys like this video. If you do, leave a thumbs up down below, subscribe to my channel, turn the bell on for notifications, and comment down below. Thank you guys.
I feel like I should be your lover, I should be your friend.